Guys, welcome back for another video of Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can reset the surface indicator time for intermediate surface of a Saab 9.5. This one comes from 2010, and I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this indicator over here. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Surface Reset My Car. Have a look at that channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Leave a comment if you like, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first of all, turn off the ignition. Then we're gonna press the brake pedal. Press and hold it all the time. Turn back on the ignition to the on position. Keep the brake pedal pressed. Wait for it. You'll see that the time for intermediate surface pops up. Then press the clear button on the left bottom side of the steering wheel. Press and hold it for about 10-15 seconds. You'll hear a beep. Keep pressing the brake pedal and the clear button. You'll hear the beep. Keep pressing it till the surface indicator on the dashboard disappears. Now you see that the indicator is gone over here, the surface indicator. And if we did it correct, the surface indicator won't pop up. Do the check. Ignition off, ignition back on, and you see that the check is okay and the surface intermediate surface indicator is gone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Leave a comment if you like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.